Kaway, Daddy, kaway, kaway, kaway. There. Masuno rin.
All right. Yeah. Happy birthday, Steven. Happy birthday first.
June.
He's cooking. He's still cooking.
Birthday. Oh, kasta. Sila.
So, we can sing one more time. For all these people. 5, 6, 7, 8. So, you sing it for
Sample.
6 years. So it's kind of weird for me, and I told some of my friends for me to have a party and for like it to be all about me because I'm not used to that. At all 4 years of high school, I've planned things and they're for other people or they're for groups, and I'm more in like the production team, behind the scenes, making sure everything is running for everybody else. So it's kind of weird for me to be up here and it to be my party. So
We love you, Christian.
for coming out. Thank you. I want to thank my parents who put a lot of their time, money, staying up at 3 in the morning, especially today, for this party. Running around while I was gone. I was in Memphis, and then I went on a road trip, and I performed with some of my friends in Key Club, particularly Alex, who I collaborated with. So I have a lot of people here from all different parts of my life, whether it be Key Club or the band or if maybe my friends or ASB. It's the financial secretary. My brother. Teachers, my beautiful aunties. They've been on TV.
Out of town people. Out of town.
Everyone who came from out of town, LA, Washington,
Philippines.
I really want to say thank you.
MCRD.
Okay, MCRD. It really does mean a lot. Thank you for all the friends that came out. Being supportive. Each and every one of you have really made a difference. Jessa used to beat me up in kindergarten. And yeah, she gave me life. But thank you everyone for coming out. It really means a lot to me. Thank you to my family for being a really great support system and please enjoy the rest of the day.
I would like to thank there's a few people who made this party, especially Uncle Nick. I don't know where he is.
Yes, there. Uncle Nick.
Uncle Nick, who is our grill guy, who did the barbecue chicken and beef. The hamburger. So
Still doing hamburger.
for that. And for Sylvia, who made that wonderful cake for Christian. Yeah. And Alicia, I think she's over there, who did the cupcakes. And Jacqueline, who made some lumpia. And Sarah over there with Frankie and Ryan in the snow cone. Give them a big hand, please.
Yay!
Uncle Rick, Kuya Rick, who helped us work these, and there's all kinds of people who helped LA. So thank you, Baba, Tita, thank you for helping, Tita Rudy for helping with everything. Especially my dad, who woke up this morning cutting up fruit, making that salad yesterday. Anyways, and my dear husband for the financial part of the whole thing. Anyways,
I'm paying for this?
yeah.
Oops. Now you found out.
And this band, I can't just, you guys, thank you so much.
All right.
You know, but you really are grateful for all of you for coming out today and just hanging out with us. Thank you so much. So enjoy that day. Remember that hamburgers and hot dogs. More games to play over there. Thank you very much.
Hindi magsalita din Luis.
Gusto magsalita. Kasayaw. Hindi pa ba tayo sasayaw?
There's more food! You guys can go back.
Almer, naghihintay kami ng line na. Hindi mo alam, pati si, number 1 si Mama dyan.
Mac Enriquez. This is Mac Enriquez. Makikita kayo sa YouTube mamaya ito.
Ganun ba yan? Happy birthday, Christian! Ayun o, dito sa DJ. Okay lang po. Sorry.
Of course I remember this.
What are we doing?
Christian. Where's from
Ayan si June. Esmel muna, Esmel. Esmel. Oh, ayan, papakuha daw siya. DJ.
Kailangan walang
Esmel. Ay, papakuha si June.
pero mali eh. YouTube.
Yeah. Woo!